Out-of-band terminal functionality. Welcome to this tutorial where we will present the out-of-band functionalities available on the Terminal tab of an endpoint on the Intel EMA web interface. We will show you how to connect via Serial Over LAN, alias SOL, to the Intel AMT interface and how to boot the PC remotely into BIOS. Step 1. Starting from the General tab. We'll start by navigating to the General tab of an endpoint. Let's first focus on the conditions. The Terminal tab is never grayed out since it provides in-band and out-of-band functionality. The Serial Over LAN connection can only be used when SIRA is connected. So, the last bullet point concerning SIRA should be green. Step 2. Terminal tab. Click on Terminal. Choose Actions from the drop-down menu on the blue box. Click on Start AMT Terminal. This will be grayed out, as I just mentioned, if SIRA is not connected. It will start an AMT terminal session and the following message will be displayed: Terminal is connected. Waiting for display data. Choose Action from the drop-down menu on the blue box. Click on Power Cycle to BIOS. A pop-up window will show user consent required. The pop-up window will appear when the PC is provisioned in client control mode or when the user consent is set for advanced boot options in the Intel AMT profile. As mentioned in the pop-up window, the remote PC must be powered on to see the user consent code. A pop-up containing a user consent code with 6 digits will appear on the remote PC window. The 6 digits need to be entered in the pop-up window on the console. Click Next. PC boots to BIOS in text mode. You can go through the different BIOS screens and change any settings. You can exit the BIOS, as shown in the BIOS. The PC will boot normally and nothing will be shown on the console. At the end, choose Actions from the drop-down menu on the blue box again. Click on Disconnect to end the Intel AMT terminal session. Instead of exiting the BIOS, you could also go back to the General tab of the endpoint and use a power control command to reboot the PC. Congratulations! You've successfully used the out-of-band functionalities available on the Terminal tab of an endpoint on the Intel EMA web interface. You have used the Intel AMT functionality Serial Over LAN to boot a PC remotely into BIOS. Stay tuned for the videos explaining the information and capabilities of the other tabs of an endpoint on the Intel EMA web interface.